The voice you are listening to right now is entirely artificial. It has the pacing and breath control of a human, and it was generated entirely for free. For the last year, premium paid tools like 11 Labs held a monopoly on high-quality voice generation, charging upwards of $22 a month. That monopoly is broken. Free alternatives now produce equal and, in some cases, better dynamic range. But navigating the free tier is frustrating. Most free tools are riddled with hidden character limits, robotic inflections, or user interfaces that bury the best generation models. You need to know exactly which platform will serve your specific content type, so you don't waste hours testing outputs that hit a paywall on the second try. There is a strict baseline here. Cloning voices without permission leads to immediate copyright strikes. You must only use your own recorded voice or properly licensed community assets. To navigate this, we are evaluating 3 core platforms: bcloner, Minimax, and Fish Audio, along with an automation tool called Nessus Clip. Securing zero-cost AI audio requires matching the specific AI processing platform directly to your creative intent. Before opening any software, every AI voice platform is subject to the universal rule of audio engineering: garbage in, garbage out. This checklist highlights the 3 mandatory inputs required for pristine source audio: room treatment, strict mic discipline, and a low noise floor. If you skip acoustic treatment and record in an empty bedroom, the AI will learn your room's echo and permanently bake that reverb into every single clip you generate. Assuming your source audio is clean, your first option is the beginner's sandbox, bcloner. Bcloner removes all technical friction. It requires a single, simple file upload and delivers true one-click text-to-speech generation. The drawback is emotional range. bcloner's output lacks nuance and is strictly limited to basic, flat narration. You should only use bcloner if you are an absolute beginner who needs a rapid, simple voiceover without having to touch advanced parameters. For creators producing high volume on a consistent schedule, Minimax is the long-form workhorse. This matrix shows a critical choice. You must actively select the 2.5 HD model over the default turbo model for maximum audio fidelity. It is noticeably slower to process, but for long YouTube essays, enduring that wait time is crucial for listener retention. Minimax limits free tier accounts to 10,000 characters per generation. In practice, that yields roughly 12 minutes of continuous, usable audio. Generating the audio is only the first step. Once you have a 12-minute file, manual editing becomes the primary bottleneck for scaling your channel. Nessus Clip is the automated pipeline designed to solve that bottleneck. Instead of hunting for sound bites, Nessus Clip automatically scans your long video, slices out the most viral moments, and applies animated subtitles. You sacrifice granular editorial control over where the cuts happen, but you gain massive volume and save hours of manual timeline slicing. Combining Minimax's long-form audio generation with Nessus Clip's automated extraction results in a high-output content factory at zero financial cost. If you produce documentaries or narrative podcasts, you need dynamic range. That makes Fish Audio the cinematic storyteller of the group. To achieve the best results, you must operate within their Story Studio interface and specifically select the S1 model. This interface lets you apply specific emotional tags, like sadness or anger, directly to your script. This active tagging forces the AI into highly expressive narration, sounding like a human reacting in real time to the words they read. But the true cost here is your time. Fish Audio carries a steep learning curve and requires active script manipulation, meaning you cannot just copy and paste a block of text and expect a perfect result. Because of this advanced engine, the community actively builds and shares incredibly accurate, high-profile voice models on the platform. If you run into usage limits while experimenting, you can add a single period anywhere in your Gmail address. The platform registers it as a new account, giving you infinite free trial resets while routing all emails to your primary inbox. Fish Audio demands the most upfront effort, but it stands alone as the platform that delivers genuine emotional performance. Free AI voice cloning has moved past low-quality gimmicks. It is a viable, professional-grade workflow. Let's map your final recommendation by answering one question. What is your primary production goal? If you are a time-poor beginner making quick shorts and you need immediate output, default to bCloner. If you are automating a YouTube channel and require consistent, clean, long-form narration, Minimax your daily driver. If you're a storyteller who needs the audience to feel the emotional weight of your script, invest time to learn Fish Audio. Access to these models means a single creator can now manage the entire audio output of multiple channels without ever stepping into a recording booth. Subscribe to This Will Surprise You for more rigorous, highly practical AI and automation tutorials. Comment below with the specific AI tool or workflow automation you want analyzed next, and thank you for watching.